Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little love read and we're going to pull some tarot for the sign of Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Mercury. I already pre-shuffled the cards, prayed and meditated over this space. So I'm going to do a quick shuffle here and we're going to pull the cards together. Spirit, guides, guardians, love team, please help me deliver clear, accurate message. Close any doors that aren't open. What do we have for romantic lives of our dear Geminis? What's going on in the romantic lives of our dear friends, Gemini? Ooh. Oh my goodness. I've seen some cards trying to pop out. We're just going to keep shuffling. They come back out. They come back out. It was meant to be. What is Gemini's situation, please, Spirit? Six of Cups in reverse. Feeling a little caught in the past. Or we are stuck in the past. We have a situation that's outdated. Our challenge is the Five of Swords. Some conflicting mental energy and a little bit of conflict and victim mentality going on here. Our advice. What advice do you have for Geminis, please, Spirit? What advice do you have for Gemini? Temperance in reverse. What is the outcome? What is the outcome of this romantic read for Gemini? Ace of Pentacles, a new start, a new path forward. Okay, so what are you stuck in the past about, Gemini? What is I don't know if you can see this card in the upright, but it's a woman sitting by a pool of water. Like water represents emotions in tarot, so like you're in your feels. And she's looking at an old picture of love, like love lost, somebody that she misses. You're really hung up on someone that you miss, perhaps. We're going to clarify with some more cards before we say for sure, though. Spirit, can we please clarify the Six of Cups in reverse, please? Why is this in the situation position? The Devil and the Two of Pentacles. Okay, so there's a falsity. Perhaps you've ingested a lie, either one you've told yourself or were fed. This can be an unhealthy attachment to the past, almost an obsession with something from your past, possibly an addiction. Two of Pentacles. In a love reading, this is a little bit tricky because to me it feels like juggling. There's a dual energy. Hopefully it's not like a third party or something. We'll see what happens when we lay out some more cards to clarify these. Okay, so we're going to move on to this challenge card here and clarify why this Five of Swords is in the challenge position, please, Spirit. The King of Pentacles and the Ten of Swords. Why is the Temperance in reverse in the advice position? The Empress in reverse. And the Six of Cups in reverse. Okay, Gemini. It looks like you and your person are both deeply, like mentally and emotionally conflicted, almost tormented by whatever has gone down in the past between the two of you. You have the Six of Cups in reverse here twice. And the Devil out here. We have obsession. We have unhealthy habits. We have Ten of Swords. We have just heavy mental energy. This is done, emotionally done. A betrayal, an ultimate betrayal. This isn't just a knife in the back. This is 10 knives in the back. The artwork doesn't represent this on this card. Traditional tarot, it's the person laying on the ground with the 10 swords in their back. But this is the challenge. We have a King of Pentacles here that's caused a significant amount of harm to himself and everyone around him. Keep in mind that cards are energy. Just because it says King of Pentacles doesn't necessarily mean that it's a male. Could be though. Just wanted to put that out there as a reminder. The outcome is starting off small, but it's a new start. Temperance in reverse. The advice is to get back to your roots. Get to the roots of the problem. Find your inspiration again. Connect with source and get that flowing again. Getting inspiration from the muggle world isn't always the best of ideas. And the wheel. There's going to be a new chapter that the wheel is going to turn no matter what. This doesn't actually feel like a really easy situation because looks like two people are involved that one needs to heal from their past and one needs to heal from what their person did to them. So in order to move forward, there's going to be a tremendous amount of healing required. I'm not saying that it's not possible, but it's going to be a fair amount of work. And I think both of you are aware of that. Ooh, this is another tricky love read. A lot of spilt cups. We have like emotion on the board. There's cups, but they're upside down. They've been spilt. We have nostalgia and yearning for the past. Perhaps things were much better earlier on in your relationship. I'm just going to pull a couple more cards before I close this out. What does Gemini have to look forward to? What does Gemini have to look forward to from this situation? Oh. What does Gemini have to look forward to? Spirit, what does Gemini have to look forward to? Oh my goodness. This is the Tower in reverse and the Ten of Cups. So, things may not be the way they used to be, but as a person, you get to look forward to this as being an opportunity for growth. An opportunity to learn firsthand about forgiveness, seeking forgiveness, how to forgive yourself, how to make reparations, learn and build up your communications skills. You're definitely going to learn what you want out of life and how to say no to anything that isn't it. You may not have been sure prior to this, but you definitely know what you do not want because you got yourself in a position where you're experiencing it presently. So it's like you're a child and you put your hand on the stove and you figured out, fuck man, this is hot, it burned me. You get to look forward to knowing better next time. You ain't gonna touch that stove a second time. And wisdom and knowledge are precious, precious gifts. A lot of times the most important lessons and blessings in life come to you in disguise, wrapped in explosive, awful wrapping paper, and they don't feel like gifts at first, but they are. And there's gonna be a whole lot of growth here, growth as human beings. For you and your other person. There's going to be a tower that you're trying to hold it off, but you got to let it fall. And once it falls, that rock bottom is your stable foundation on which you can build upon. Let whatever this is on built on sand and built out of hay, let it fall, and we're going to rebuild with a brick house this time, okay? Sorry, that's all I got for you. I can't make up stories. I have to read the cards as they are. This is another one of those super tough but valuable, important lessons in life. You'll be a better person at the end of the day for experiencing this. All right, Gemini? That's all I got for you. Love you. Bye.